Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Day one of the apocalypse. Hello there.
Greetings. This is
If
our...
you found this video, you found me dead. You probably know about the apocalypse more than we
Stop!
do. We have been moving at a slight pace.
Oh my,
The last-
look at that, oh.
Seems like days.
Ang ganda. Tignan mo naman.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, subik, subik.
Where's so big? I know there's an apocalypse.
Pataas na ng puno.
I've been scared out of my crap for
Hindi
8
yung
days.
pinamataas na puno matingnan mo.
Asan?
Ayun o.
Parang avatar yung mga puno
For the
eh.
last 6 days, I've been scared out of my crap.
Iba no, ganda.
Oh.
This is small.
Don't look down, kaya nga to, ano, para huwag kayo matakot.
I am not afraid of the down part. I am afraid of the whole thing. I sound Nigerian. I love my accent.
Mami, pagkatapos naman ito ikaw sa gitna.
Okay,
Hindi ako
I'm
makaka-video
gonna
eh.
change my accent now.
Okay lang yung ganyan tayo lagi. Para mas maganda yung video natin.
Oh God! Sa freaking trees!
Oh my God, sumabi tayo.
Apocalypse na ito.
Grabe, ang lalim, anak ko. Look at that. See?
Oh, puti.
There's big wild dogs.
Ang dad!
Ang taas,
It
oh.
seems like dogs.
Ilang feet daw to? 19 feet?
100.
Ay, no. 100, what?
Yeah, 100.
Around 250?
Yan, oh. Nasa ibabaw tayo ng... Para tayong mga ibon.
Where's it?
Para tayong mga ibon, oh. Nasa ibabaw tayo ng mga puno.
Amit na taas pa yung kami mo.
No.
Higher?
Yeah.
This is scary. It's 120.
Oh.